Carrying plasterboard on your own. Every time when I carry plasterboard into the building, if I hold for the bottom of the plasterboard with one hand and just holding with the other hand top of the plasterboard, I always have to duck down under the doorways, which is really a proper pain on lower back. So let's just quickly knock up one of these plasterboard carriers with a bit of bottom laying around, a couple of chunky screws holding top and bottom, got a handle bit, and then we've got two buttons on the bottom. Plasterboard sits on the lower button, the upper button is there to stop plasterboard from slipping off whilst you're carrying it. As long as you position this roughly on the middle of the board, you'll be fine. You don't have to duck down under the doorways.